What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Chainlink after it just had a massive blast off, just like I said it would in my last video. So let's jump right on into the daily chart here, guys. And as you guys can see, we just got a massive breakout out of this symmetrical triangle we've been talking about for Chainlink on the daily time frame, right? We just got a confirmed daily close and a engulfing bullish candle to the upside here. And as you guys know, this is exactly what happens every consolidation period, right? You guys look at the last couple consolidation periods, it's exactly what happened, right? We had this consolidation period down here, ended in a symmetrical triangle, retesting and then going up to the upside, right? We had another symmetrical triangle here. Obviously, we had a little bit of a pump and crash before, but I think if we didn't have the crazy crash that we had in March, this would have probably just pumped up to the upside and had a triangle a little bit more to the left here. But you guys can see the same thing. Even when we came back in, right, we perfectly retested the bottom of the triangle and then ended up pumping up again out of it, which is so bullish, right? And we just got the exact same thing, right, where we had the symmetrical triangle and now we're getting a pump up to the upside. Now, what is the possible upside target for Chainlink now? So as we switch on over this to the weekly chart, guys, the measured move of this triangle is all the way up at around $28, which would perfectly fit with the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, right? So that's where I think we're going next. I think we're going to get a massive move to the upside up to that $28 level at least, right? And we could get a little bit of pullback at that level. Now, it also is possible we could come back down and retest the top of this triangle here and then move up to that $28 mark, right? Because Chainlink likes to retest the top of the triangles just like it did here. And, this, I guess you can kind of count this as a retest coming back into the triangle and then going up, right? So it is possible we can come back down and retest the top of this triangle, also come back down and test the bottom and then move up. Either way, us breaking out to the upside is perfectly what we want to see as Chainlink investors, right? So, like I said, guys, the 1.618 Fibonacci and the measured move lining up pretty much at the exact same spot at that $28 mark is perfect, right? Perfect technical analysis. I love when it matches up perfectly like that. So now we're going to go over a couple reasons why I think Chainlink is going to go up to that $28 mark, just not the measured move and the Fibonacci, but also the Chainlink Bitcoin ratio. So you guys can see we got a perfect bounce at that first level of support that I was talking about, right? Right here where it was our last all-time high. And you guys know when Chainlink makes a new all-time high, right, like it did right here, it likes to pull back and retest the old all-time high like it did right here. And then we got this next pump up to the upside, made a new all-time high. What did it do, guys? It retested the old all-time high. So this is why I think Chainlink is going to really outpace Bitcoin, at least for the next couple of weeks, right? We're going to see Chainlink really push up, and not just Chainlink, altcoins in general. We see so many altcoins at their local lows, right now, which is absolutely insane. We're seeing this kind of confluence with the, altcoin and Bitcoin ratios, not just Chainlink. So you guys can see the massive buy pressure we're getting right now on this ratio. Anything outpacing Bitcoin right now is extremely bullish because you guys know these institutions are buying up Bitcoin like crazy. So when we see this kind of buy pressure coming in, this is a good time to get into Chainlink before this ratio really starts to get parabolic like it did throughout this whole run, right? So that is the Chainlink Bitcoin ratio. Now I just want to also quickly look at the Bitcoin dominance here. And you guys can see this is another reason why I think altcoins and not just Chainlink are going to really pop off. But, I really think the higher cap altcoins are really, really want to be. Also, we're going to see these smaller cap altcoins go up 40, 50, 60% in a day. But I think the more consistent, day by day gains are going to see in coins like Ethereum, Chainlink, Stellar Lumens, a couple of examples that I am personally invested in, right? So you guys can see that Bitcoin dominance, this was our perfect resistance throughout Bitcoin's history, right? And we just worked up to it again perfectly. Okay, guys, another example of perfect technical analysis. Worked up to it perfectly there, and now we're coming back down. I think our first target is that 62% on the Bitcoin dominance. Now, if we do break that, we could be coming all the way back down to about this level here at about 56%. So, I mean, we could see altcoins really flying if we can get back down to here, right? But if we do get support down here at the 62% level, now that is jumping ahead a little bit because we haven't even got down to 68% left. But if we do get support at the 68% level, we could be forming almost a head and shoulders pattern here on the Bitcoin dominance, which could push us up to the upside. But in the short term, we got another about 6% to go to the downside for the Bitcoin dominance. So we could see altcoins keep absolutely making huge pumps. So you guys, I'm excited about Chainlink. I hope you guys are as well. $28 is my first target. If we do end up breaking that $28 mark, I think that the 2.6, I mean, we're in price discovery at this point, so no one really knows how high this could go. But I like to go with the Fibonacci retracements when we are in price discovery. They're usually pretty accurate, or we're at least going to get, hit our resistances and get pullbacks. But after that $28 mark, we're all the way up at $40, right? I think $40, will obviously be some psychological resistance. Also with the 2.618 Fibonacci being there from the swing high here to the swing low down here. So that would make perfect sense. After that, we all have the $54 mark, and then also the about $60 mark as well. So look out for these Fibonacci levels. If you guys want to put this on your charts, it's basically from the swing high up here on the triangle to the swing low of the triangle down here. So yeah, if you guys found this this video interesting and you guys are new to the channel, make sure you press that subscribe button down below. Always helps me out, and it makes my day every time I see those subscribers go up. I also know if you guys subscribe, so make sure you press that subscribe button. I'm watching you. I'm just kidding, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I will be making another video a little bit later tonight. I haven't decided what altcoin I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be an altcoin video. So I'll see you guys a little bit later.